We now move on to part C and D of sum number 5, and the sums are out here. 8126 into 169 minus 8126 into 69, 1684 into 782 plus 1684 into 218. Again, the concept says first let's underline the common number that I have. Here the common number is 8126. So I take 8126 outside the bracket. Then I form a bracket and I take the remaining numbers and add them or subtract them according to the operation that is being given between them. Now here you see there is subtraction. So it will be 169 subtract 69. Next step, again 8126, 8126, open brackets, 169 minus 69. From 169, if I take away 69, what's my answer? My answer is 100. Now to remove the bracket, I must multiply what's outside the bracket with what's inside the bracket. So 8126, when there is no sign, it means multiplication because I am removing the bracket into 100. And now my work becomes so simple and easy. I don't have to literally sit down and multiply by 100. What do I have to do? Now I am doing the reverse method. In that I showed you, put the two zeros right at the end and then multiply by 1. Now I am doing the other way. You can do that way also, the answer still remains the same. 8126 into 1 gives me 8126. How many zeros? 2 zeros. And my answer is done. Or I write 2 zeros first right at the end, and then I say 1 multiplied by 8126 is 8126. That 8126 comes to the left hand side of the 2 zeros. Answer remains the same. 123, 12, comma. My answer 8,12,600. When you do it with rearrangement, you can do the sum faster and easier. But if you have to do the normal method, you would have to multiply this and get an answer. Multiply this and get an answer. And from this answer, you would have to subtract this answer. The answer would be the same. That is why we teach you rearrangement, so that you can do your multiplication faster. This is concept number 3, remember children. Now what's common here? 1684, 1684. So I take 1684 outside the bracket. And I open a bracket. What are the remaining numbers? 782 and 218. And an addition sign is in between. So 782 has to be added to 218. Remember what I told you? Whatever the remaining numbers they have to be put in the bracket along with the operation that is in between them. They have to be added or subtracted. Either they will be subtracted or added or subtracted. So you have to put the addition sign or subtraction sign for the remaining two numbers that are left. So 782 plus 218. Now I take 1684 again, open the bracket, and I ask myself 782 plus 218 gives me how much? Now either you can do it mentally or you can make a rough work for yourself and do it there. So I will get 782 added to 218. And when I add 782 and 218, what do I get? 2 plus 8 is 10. 8 plus 1, 9 and 1, 10 again. And 7 and 1, 8 and 2, 10. My answer is 1000. That 1000 comes here. Now my work becomes again very simple. 1684. To remove the bracket, multiply and remove the bracket. Take out the number out of the bracket. 1684 into 1 will give me 1684. But I cannot forget the 3 zeros. So those 3 zeros come to the end. Put my commas according to the Indian system of numeration. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. My answer 16,84,000. If you had done it with the general or the normal method, Separately, you would have to multiply 1684 into 218 and get an answer. And the two answers added would give you 60,84,000. The answer would still remain the same. But this is a faster method because I have rearranged, done suitable rearrangement and got my answer faster than I would have got if I had done it the normal way. So this is the third concept of multiplication, for rearrangement of numbers or rearranging numbers in order to do your multiplication faster. So now we are done with all the rearrangements. From the next video onwards, we will be discussing the concept of division. That is from sum number 6 onward. So all you need to do is make sure that all your work is complete and updated till part D of sum number 5. Remember, I have taken these sums one day at a time because each sum has a different concept of solving the sums. Do take very good care of yourselves and do keep